everyone, welcome back to Discover Talent. In today's session, we are going to build something really exciting, HR dashboard in MS Excel. Dashboard will help HR teams, managers, students, and working professionals to understand how employee sales performance, leaves, targets, and overall productivity get measured in MS Excel with the help of those raw data sets. If you are preparing for any job role or upgrade your MS Excel skill, then this project is perfect for you. So stay with me till the end because we'll create a professional dashboard step by step. So without further ado, let's quickly start. Welcome back, folks. Let me quickly show you the roadmap of today's learning. First, we will look at the raw data set of 40 entries of employees. Okay, this is not a raw data set what I have, right? I'll just quickly do a control N over here, and this is a blank screen for me in MS Excel. To import a raw data set, be it is in Excel file or CSV or maybe TXT file, right? We just have to import that data set first. Cool. Then we will learn how to clean that data, removing errors, fixing dates, formatting. Next, we will create extra calculated columns like tenure and achieved percentage. Cool. After that, we will use a pivot tables and charts to analyze performance. And finally, we will design a beautiful HR dashboard with slicers and KPIs. By the end, you will know how to build a complete dashboard from scratch, a skill recruiters value in 2025. Cool. Let me go over here in data ribbon tab, get data from file, and then click on this from text to CSV. As soon as you click on that option, you will get a pop-up like this. Okay, simply select a file over here and then import it. Now I will just do a as it is import over here, load like this, and this is the data set what I have. Cool. Here we can see we have region available, sales, cool, targets, leaves, projects handled, which is this, joining date is this, and a performance score. Cool. And apart from that, we also have this employee name and department. So this is the raw data set what we have available. Data set looks realistic. You're an HR manager who wants to quickly check who is the top performer, which region is doing best, okay, how many employees are meeting targets, who might need a training or support. Now here, if I break it down, this each column, employee, name of the staff member, basically, okay, it could be your first name or maybe the last name. Here we have just a first name added over here as an employee name. In your case, if in case you are dealing with a large data set, that time you must have a employee first name and employee last name. You have to concatenate those because create a one employee name. Cool. We usually do that majority times when we have the large data set, that time we do that activity. Now we have a department available here. If you could see over here, we have department like finance, HR, IT, marketing, and sales. If I go ahead slowly, steadily, north region, and then south region, west region, these are the four region I have added over here. Likewise, we have a sales available over here. Sales is this, and this is the target. Actual versus expected numbers. Leaves taken. So this leaves taken column helps HR to monitor attendance. Which is projects. Projects is basically projects each person handled. Now joining date. This is the joining date we have available. If I do it, filter it out over here, I can see the joining date from so and so year as well, right? And then if I go here and check performance score, which is a rating between 2.5, which is from this, okay, 2.6 to until rating is this 4.84. Okay, or maybe you can consider this as a maximum value would be 5. So this column will form a backbone of our dashboard. We will use them to calculate KPIs like top performer, achieved percentage, department productivity, and region strength. Before we building dashboards, one golden rule: garbage in and garbage out. Okay, if the data is messy, your charts and dashboards will be misleading. That's why in the next step we will clean dates, make them proper date format, number, remove the blanks or errors, text to standardize the department names. This is exactly what happens in companies. HR gets raw Excel files from different sources and your job is to clean and make it ready for reporting. Now imagine you are working in a HR, your manager asks you, hey, can you quickly tell me who are the top 5 performers in the sales? Without a dashboard, you would be spend hours and hours, right? To scanning each rows and then make a filter, adding again a pivot table and then get those numbers, right? But with what we will build today, you can answer in just a few clicks, even add a charts and slicers to impress your boss. So this is not just a practice, this is a job skill you can showcase. All right, now that you know the data set and the big picture, it's time to roll up our sleeves, right? In the next section, we will start with a data cleaning. Make sure our data set is accurate and professional. Stay tuned and don't forget, if you are a new here, hit subscribe to discover talent. You don't miss more Excel tutorials and career boosting projects. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.